I got all my plates cleaned up. And then I ground off some of the paint where these reinforcing plates go, so I can weld those on. And I got some grease zerks in. So what I have to do is, since there's 2 holes, the bushing is welded in on the inside of the square tubing, and I have that drilled and tapped, but it's recessed down in the hole, and I didn't put these things on. So I had to go to a whole bunch of different shops and find these long grease zerks. But I have to drill the top hole out. The mosquitoes are getting freaking rank. So I have to drill this top hole out. Without wrecking the threads in the bottom like I might have just done, trying to do it on camera. But then take the air gun, blow out all the shavings and stuff down there, and then I can thread this grease zerk in there because now it fits in that hole. I was able to find somebody that would cut my steel for me, so I got all my seals cut out. Washers that go, but not over the bushing. And these washers do fit over the bushing, so that way I can tighten it down. And then I should have a little bit of play back and forth so they don't really bind up. These are all my plates that go right there to reinforce it, top and bottom, so that it won't try and pull. But I was thinking if it would be better there, but I'm running into clearance issues that way. So that's where they go. It'll help. It'll help. So I've just been cleaning them up, getting the slag off the edges and everything. And then these little gussets go like that to reinforce that plate. And then these big gussets go on the opposite side. And I did find grease zerks that can fit in there too. I just might have to drill out the hole in this bar. Might have to drill that hole out a little bit bigger so I can go down and thread into it. But yeah, I got a whole bunch of little plates to clean up still. I got these ones all done. I still have to do this stuff still though. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. I got all the plates welded on the top half, and the gussets put on, and then the grease zerks welded on. So now I gotta lift it up high enough that I could flip these things all the way around and then weld the gussets and stuff and plates on the underside. So I got my track hoe. Gotta lift it up enough. But these little ones I'll have to weld on once I get the drums inside. And I was thinking of using these the shanks from the cultivator part. It's a I could go like that, and then they would be mounted, but they would be on the underside. Try and keep the center of gravity low. I would probably take these off and just use the shank itself. But yeah. I just got tired of doing them. They're not straight, but they're on there. Weld's mediocre. I still have those 2 end caps to put on. They go on right there. Both sides are done. I still have to do the little gussets on the underside, and I lost one of them. It's right there. Yep. But now tomorrow I can pick it up with my Traco again, and then flip these things over and put the drums in them. I still have to make the bearings fit over those shafts. There's a couple little burrs that are sticking out, but tomorrow project. It's pretty late, dark out. It must be pretty even if it's, you can pick it up and it's level in the air. I got a little bit of stuff on the other side, so it's tipping a little bit, but that's pretty cool. Now I'll just have to flip it, but when I flip it up, it's gonna make the other side lighter. Neat.